The divide. A prepper sat, as storms rolled near, with stores of grain and tools to steer. He'd laid his plans in stealthy gloom, prepared for when the world met doom. The non-prepper laughed and mocked his fate, dismissing warnings, ignoring the gate. Paranoid fool, he'd sneer so bold. Why hoard and fret where warmth runs cold? Then came the end, a bitter plight, plunging the earth into eternal night. Shadows loomed and chaos reigned, famished screams, the streets blood-stained. The prepper thrived, his bunker deep, while others starved without a reap. His family safe, his stores intact, their strength forged through his careful tact. But the fool, once proud and vain, now stumbled in hunger, racked with pain. With empty hands and a hollow plea, he begged the prepper, "Please save me." Yet mercy fled where trust had died. The prepper's eyes were coldly wide. "You questioned all. You mocked my creed. Why should I answer your desperate need?" Desperation twisted into vile intent, and the fool struck fast, on murder bent. A blade in hand, his hunger wild, seeking to harm, survival defiled. But the prepper was ready, sharp and grim, and the battle ended not for him. The fool lay still in blood-soaked ground, his hollowed cries the only sound. 6 feet down, the earth embraced the foolish man who'd lost the race, a lesson carved in soil and stone. Survival favors those who plan alone. Now silence fills the air so stark, and the prepper watches the fading dark, a warning etched in the lives he's seen, the line between prudence and folly, keen,